Welcome guys to the IMAT test. We were left with number 14. In a family, each of the 6 children has 1 packet of crisps on each weekday, Monday to Friday, for their packet lunch. So we have 6 children, and we say that each of them need a packet of crisps on each weekday. So from Monday to Friday, we have 5 days. The triplets have cheese flavored crisps. The twins have paprika flavored crisps, and the oldest child always has chili flavored crisps. The exact number of packets of crisps needed are purchased at the same time for the 4-week period. So each month we purchase the exact number of crisps needed for the 6 children. So the table below shows the price of a single packet of crisps and multi-packs of crisps of the same flavor. A multi-pack is a discounted collection of number of single packets of one flavor. So we have the table here with the price. What is the most money that can be saved for the 4 weeks by purchasing the appropriate combination of multi-packs and single packs of different flavors rather than all single packs? So what we have to do is to find the most money that we can save in this 4-week period. And we have to do so by purchasing the appropriate combination of multi-packs and single packs of the different flavors. And we have to think about how much money we save by having purchased the appropriate combination rather than buying all single packs. So we have the price of a single pack of a single packet of crisps, and we have and we can actually derive the amount of packets we need for the 6 children. So we say that the 6 children has each 1 packet of crisps each day from Monday to Friday. So we can multiply this 6 by 5 because each children have 1 packet of crisps each of these 5 days. So we can multiply 6 by 5. And then we have to multiply this by 4 because we have 4 weeks. And we know that we have only to buy the packets Monday to Friday. We don't have to bother about Saturday and Sunday. So we can multiply this by 4. And we get 120. So we have to multiply this number by the price of a single packet. So we have 120 packets. And we have to multiply by the price of 1 packet. 1 packet costs 0.50. I think that can be dollars. I don't know. And this gives us $60. At this point, we can think about a solution to discount this price. So the exercise is asking us to purchase the appropriate combination of multi-packs and single packs. This means that this implies that buying multi-packs is cheaper than actually buying all single packets. So what we can do now is to think about a combination of multi-packs that can actually lower this price. So the first thing we have to realize is that the exercise tells us that the multi-packs are of the same flavor. So we have to calculate how much of each flavor our 6 children actually consumes. So if we think about the triplets have cheese flavored crisps. So what we can do is to think about the triplets as 3. We have 3 children. So we have to multiply 3 times 5 times 4. So we have to multiply 3 times 5 times 4. And this gives us how much of cheese flavored crisps we have to buy. How many of these flavored crisps we have to buy? So 3 times 5 is 15. 15 times 4 is 60. So we have to buy 60 cheese flavored crisps. Then we have to do the same thing. Okay, so this is cheese. Cheese. So the next thing is to think about the twins. So 2 children that have paprika flavored crisps. So we have to do the same type of calculation. We have to multiply the number of children times the number of days they eat times the 4-week period, and we get 10 times 4, which is 40. So we have 40 paprika. Paprika. Okay, let's write it. And lastly, we have the oldest child, so he is actually alone, and he wants the chili one. So we have to multiply 1 times 5 times 4, which is equals to 20. 20 chili. So right now we have the distribution of the flavors, and now we can calculate the combinations to derive each of these number. So the first thing we can do is to start with 60. We can think of 60 as 24 plus 36. So this is equals to 24 plus 36. Let's make some space. So, like I said, 60 can be seen as 24 plus 36. So, 24 costs $8.50. So, we have 8.50 plus 12.50. This gives us actually 21. So at this point we figure out how much we need to spend for the cheese one, which is $21. Let's continue. Let's try another combination. For example, we can see that we can buy, for example, 3 of these, which is equals to 60, but 3 of these gives us more than $25 dollars. So I think that is pretty safe to say that this is the right combination. We said that the twins need 40 packets. So 40 packets we can see 40 as 2 times 24. So if we pick 24 2 times, we get to 40. So we can add 8.5 plus 8.5, and this gives us $17. Another way in which we can get to 40 is by buying a multi-pack of 36. So we can see that a multi-pack of 36 cost $12.50, 12.5, and we can add 4 single packets. So 4 single packets cost $2 more. So we get to $14.5. So the 40 packets of crisps will cost $14.5. Lastly, we have the 20 chili flavored crisps. So we can do the same math also for the number 3. Let's change color. So we have one child so we have to get to 20. The best way to get to 20 is to buy either one multi-pack of 24, which is this price, 8.5, or we can buy a multi-pack of 12. A multi-pack of 6, this gives us 18, and then we can add the 2 single packets. So let's see how much that costs. This will cost $7, $8, because we have to sum this plus 1. So this gives us 7, and this is 1, so we get to $8. So right now we have everything we need. And let's finish this exercise. So we have to sum 14.5 plus 8 plus 21. This gives us 4 plus 8 is 12, 13, so 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. This gives us 43.5. The last thing we have to do is subtract $60, which is the price of all single packs, by the price that we derive from purchasing the appropriate combination of multi-packs, which is 43.5. So I have to put a 0 here, and this gives us the grand total of $16.5, which is the most money that can be saved for the 4 weeks period. So is actually letter A.